Have you ever felt like the day slips away while you're stuck on the same endless to-do list? Imagine waking up tomorrow with the energy and focus to conquer every goal, without that heavy weight of procrastination holding you back. In this video, I'm sharing a powerful, step-by-step blueprint that will help you break free from procrastination in just 3 days. I'm not talking about quick fixes or empty promises. This is a complete system built from real insights and personal experience. And stick with me until the very end, because I'll reveal one secret that most people never talk about, one that will change the way you see productivity forever. Welcome to the Escape Blueprint, where we help you escape stress, overthinking, and the 9-to-5 trap to live a more fulfilling life. If you're ready to finally get things done, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Now, let's dive right in. Before we can beat procrastination, we need to understand it. Procrastination isn't just laziness, it's a complex mix of fear, perfectionism, and self-doubt. It's that inner voice telling you, you're not ready yet, or, it won't be perfect, so why start? Let me share a quick story. I once knew a talented individual, let's call him David. David had big dreams and brilliant ideas, but every time he started a project, fear took over. He'd delay until deadlines loomed, then scramble in panic. One day, he finally decided to confront his habit. He began tracking every moment he procrastinated. What he discovered shocked him. A few recurring triggers: fear of failure, the need for perfection, and even the pressure of making decisions. That simple audit was a game changer. The truth is, when you understand your triggers, you gain control. In this blueprint, we'll break down how to uncover these hidden factors and then systematically eliminate them. Trust me, once you see where your energy is being wasted, you'll be ready to take action. Day 1 is all about awareness. To break free from procrastination, you must first face your own habits. Today, we're doing a procrastination audit. Grab a notebook and write down every moment you delay tasks, whether it's checking your phone, browsing social media, or simply daydreaming. Write down what you were doing, how you felt, and what you were avoiding. Ask yourself, what tasks do I delay the most? What emotions surface when I procrastinate? Is it fear of failure, or maybe a fear of success? This exercise might feel uncomfortable because it forces you to confront habits you've ignored for years. But here's a hidden insight. Most people never take the time to understand their own procrastination triggers. Once you see your patterns on paper, you realize that 80% of your delay comes from just a few key fears. And recognizing those fears is the first step toward overcoming them. Remember, this isn't about blaming yourself, it's about empowering yourself with knowledge. Take your time with this exercise, your future productivity depends on it. Now that you've uncovered your triggers, it's time for day 2, building a laser-focused action plan. Procrastination thrives in chaos. When your environment is cluttered, both physically and mentally, it's easy to get lost in endless distractions. Step 1. Declutter your space. Clear your desk, turn off unnecessary notifications, and create an environment that tells your brain, this is a place for focus and productivity. Even a small change, like moving a stack of papers out of sight, can make a big difference. Step 2. Break tasks into bite-sized pieces. Instead of facing a massive, overwhelming project, break it down. For example, if you need to write a report, start with a simple outline, then draft one section at a time. This not only makes the task more manageable, it gives your brain quick wins, releasing dopamine that motivates you to keep going. Let me tell you about Sarah. She used to feel paralyzed by her long to-do list. After she started breaking her tasks into smaller steps and setting clear time blocks using the Pomodoro technique, she began to experience rapid progress. Sarah's productivity skyrocketed, and she went from feeling overwhelmed to empowered. Hidden insight. Breaking down tasks doesn't just simplify your work, it rewires your brain to celebrate small victories. Every time you check off a mini task, you're training your mind to see progress. That momentum is what truly destroys procrastination. Step 3. Time blocking your day. Schedule specific times for each task. For instance, Dedicate your first hour to the most challenging work when your mind is fresh. Use a timer and treat those blocks as sacred appointments with yourself. If you're finding these strategies helpful, remember to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos on the Escape Blueprint, where we dive deep into escaping stress, overthinking, and the 9-to-5 grind. Your journey to a productive, stress-free life starts here. Welcome to Day 3, the day you build unstoppable momentum. By now, you've identified your procrastination triggers and set up a focused action plan. Today, it's time to create habits that stick. Step 1. Establish a morning routine. Start your day with intention. Spend the first 10 minutes meditating, journaling your top 3 goals, or doing a light workout. A consistent morning routine primes your mind for success. This simple act signals to your brain that you're in control from the moment you wake up. Step 2. Habit stacking. Here's a secret that few people talk about: habit stacking. Link a new, positive habit to one you already do daily. For example, after you brush your teeth, immediately sit down for a 10-minute planning session. This technique makes it easier to build new routines because it uses an already established behavior as a trigger. I once worked with a client named Michael. He struggled with procrastination for years until he started habit stacking. He spent 10 minutes planning his day every morning after his coffee. Within weeks, his productivity improved, and he also felt a renewed sense of purpose. Michael learned that once you make these small changes, they add up to a big transformation. Step 3. Reward yourself. Positive reinforcement is key. Celebrate every accomplishment, no matter how small. Whether it's a short break, a walk outside, or a few minutes with your favorite music, reward yourself for staying on track. Over time, these rewards will become part of your new identity, a person who gets things done. Hidden insight. The biggest enemy of procrastination isn't the task, it's the belief that you can't change. Once you start reinforcing positive habits and celebrating your progress, you'll rewire your mind to expect success. That's the true secret to lasting productivity. Congratulations! You now have the ultimate 3-day blueprint to escape procrastination and start getting things done. Let's recap. Day 1. You identified your hidden triggers and reset your mindset by facing your procrastination head-on. Day 2. You cleared the chaos, created a laser-focused action plan, and broke your tasks into manageable pieces. Day 3. You built momentum, established positive habits, and learned the secret of habit stacking and rewards. Before you go, here's the one truth you need to carry with you. The real enemy of productivity is not the tasks, but the belief that you're stuck. Believe in your power to change, and every day will be a victory. If you found this blueprint valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment sharing which day's strategy resonated with you the most. And don't forget, subscribe to the Escape Blueprint for more life-changing tips on escaping procrastination, stress, overthinking, and the 9-to-5 grind. Your journey to a more productive, peaceful, and fulfilled life starts now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.